Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy bonds on Chase. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Chase app, and once you open up, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is tap on investments on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, here you'll have an option that says trade, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be finding these four options, that is stock and EFTs, mutual funds, options, period investing. Now simply tap on the stocks and EFTs. And once you tap on stock and EFTs, here you'll be sent to this page. Simply select the account that you want to trade with, and then select stock and EFT symbol. And once you do that, if you want to buy, simply tap on buy. And now here, simply tap on market. And now here, enter the quantity. Let's assume you want 3 shares. And now here in time force, you can either select day or on the close as per your like. And once you have done with that, here you'll see an option that says preview on the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll see your order preview. Check it. And once you are satisfied with it, simply tap on place orders. And that's basically how you buy bonds on Chase. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.